In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your memories on Facebook. But before moving on with that, go hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. First, let's open our Facebook. After you open your Facebook, what you need to do is you need to go to the menu section that's on the bottom right. After you click on the menu section, if you scroll a bit down, there you can see a memories option. But if you don't see it, just scroll down a bit more and then tap on see more, and if you scroll it more, you'll see memories. Just click on the memories and then you'll be able to see all your memories. Now here what you can do is go on highlights and then you can see all the posts that you have made. You can see albums. Here you can see posts that you have uploaded from mobile, your profile picture, or you can also see the photos that you have posted with your friends. Just click on it and you can also choose your friends. If you tap on next, you will see all the photos that you have posted from your friends. Now that is all for the video, guys. That is how you can find your memories on Facebook, and also you can post the memories back again. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned and like the video.